Which snake is known as the most venomous in the world? The options are A. King cobra, B. Inland tapir, C. Rattlesnake. The correct answer is inland tapir. Which spider is known for the red hourglass shape on its body? The options are A. Black widow, B. Tarantula, C. Brown recluse. The correct answer is black widow. What is the most poisonous frog in the world? The options are A. Tree frog, B. Bullfrog, C. Poison dart frog. The correct answer is poison dart frog. Which jellyfish is considered the deadliest marine animal? The options are A. Box jellyfish, B. Moon jellyfish, C. Lion's mane jellyfish. The correct answer is box jellyfish. Which big cat is known to be the most aggressive to humans? The options are A. Leopard, B. Cheetah, C. Cougar. The correct answer is leopard. Which fish has venomous spines and can be found in tropical waters? The options are A. Clownfish, B. Lionfish, C. Goldfish. The correct answer is lionfish. Which mammal has venomous spurs on its legs? The options are A. Platypus, B. Kangaroo, C. Echidna. The correct answer is platypus. Which insect can sting multiple times and attack in swarms? The options are A. Honeybee, B. Wasp, C. Africanized bee. The correct answer is Africanized bee. Which lizard produces venom and is native to the southwestern US? The options are A. Chameleon, B. Gila monster, C. Iguana. The correct answer is Gila monster. Which octopus is tiny but has deadly venom? The options are A. Blue-ringed octopus, B. Giant Pacific octopus, C. Common octopus. The correct answer is blue-ringed octopus. Which snake's bite can stop your breathing in minutes? The options are A. Coral snake, B. Garter snake, C. King cobra. The correct answer is king cobra. Which sea creature can sting even after it's dead? The options are A. Sea star, B. Portuguese man-o'-war, C. Sea urchin. The correct answer is Portuguese man-o'-war. Which plant has poison that can stop the heart? The options are A. Aloe vera, B. Basil, C. Oleander. The correct answer is oleander. Which caterpillar's hairs can cause severe pain and reactions? The options are A. Goose caterpillar, B. Monarch caterpillar, C. Woolly bear. The correct answer is goose caterpillar. Which bird is known to be poisonous if eaten? The options are A. Kiwi, B. Hooded pitohui, C. Toucan. The correct answer is hooded pitohui. Which amphibian secretes toxins through its skin? The options are A. Salamander, B. Newt, C. Axolotl. The correct answer is salamander. Which snake is responsible for the most human deaths worldwide? The options are A. Black mamba, B. Saw-scaled viper, C. Coral snake. The correct answer is saw-scaled viper. Which plant's seeds are deadly and have been used in poisons? The options are A. Apple, B. Sunflower, C. Castor bean. The correct answer is castor bean. Which spider has a violin-shaped marking on its back? The options are A. Orb weaver, B. Funnel web spider, C. Brown recluse. The correct answer is brown recluse. Which fish buries itself in the sand and delivers a venomous sting? The options are A. Stonefish, B. Clownfish, C. Eel. The correct answer is stonefish. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.